Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara in billet silver. With LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, body color 3-piece hardtop, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, navigation, SiriusXM satellite radio, command track shift on the fly, part-time 4-wheel drive, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5926.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.